Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A96 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. And once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. We get a sound along with this pop-up right here, and we can also do two things. I'm going to open up settings just for this. So if I do it again, you will see that scroll now is an option, and when I press on it, it will start scrolling. So it captures from the very top that is visible on your screen below to however far down you can scroll. And as you can see, settings has some scrollable option right here, so it will just scroll. You can tap on the screen to stop it, and you can do it yourself with a little bit more precision. From there, click on done, check mark, and this will save it. And the second option there was to send, so basically a share option. Now both of the screenshots that I have captured can be found in our photo application right over here. So there is the normal home screen screenshot that I captured, and here's the long screenshot from the settings. So that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.